The Legend of the Lake. Bayanaul National Park is one of Kazakhstan's great treasures, a magical place of natural beauty and ancient legends. There are tall mountains, dense forests, dark caves, and crystal-clear lakes. The third largest lake and the highest above sea level is Toraygir Lake at the foot of Akbet Mountain. The lake was named after the early 20th century Kazakh writer Sultan Mahmud Toraygirov, but the legend of the lake is much older. Long ago, nomads wandered the steppe, but they always avoided the lake at the foot of Akbet Mountain. It was a beautiful lake full of fresh water and fish, but the nomads couldn't go near it because a fierce three-headed dragon lived on the shore. A lot of people had tried to kill the dragon while it was sleeping, but no one succeeded because one head was always awake, watching and waiting. One day, 7 brothers were passing through the region. They heard about the dragon and decided to get rid of it once and for all. The 3 oldest brothers built a boat and sailed across the lake to the place where the dragon lived. They fought the dragon bravely and managed to cut off one of its heads, but all 3 of them were killed. Then 3 more of the brothers built another boat and sailed across the lake. They managed to cut off the second head, but the dragon killed them too. The youngest brother wanted to honor his brothers by finishing what they had started. So he built his own boat and crossed the lake. He fought a long battle with the dragon and he finally defeated it, but he was badly wounded. After a while, he too died on the shore of the lake where his brothers fell. These days, you can still see 7 rocks that mark the final resting places of the 7 brothers. The 3 heads of the terrible dragon also lie on the shore of the lake, turned to stone by the years.